Welcome to another Delft Stack tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will guide beginners through the process of creating and running shell script in Ubuntu. By the end of this video, you will understand how to write simple bash script, make them executable, and run them seamlessly. Let's get started. First, we will create a simple bash script. Let's save it. In Linux, the scripts are written in bash and typically have a .shi file extension. Now let's locate the file and open the terminal in that location. Before we execute the script, we need to grant it the necessary permissions. Use the following command. Now execute script using the following command. That's it. Our script has been successfully executed. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in next video.